Good morning and good day, everybody. I have taken a moment I wanted to share something because well, I already made this change. This is take three because my mic wasn't working, but yeah, it seems to be up to speed now. So what I'm going to be doing is setting my Windows event logs, my classic event logs, to um, hold to archive when they're set by default to roll over. So that means, if you're making some driver changes like way back and how many years ago, there's a chance that you could lose that information. And if you have to roll back, you'd be in a bad spot. Thankfully, I was able, to catch the events that I needed because what happened was I did a GPU upgrade and it was botched. There was compatibility issues with the things I was running, my system setup, so I had to roll back. Um, but thankfully, I was able to obtain that log and the information to know which AMD driver version I needed to go back to. Um, yeah, I mean, I use my GPUs for a variety of things, some crypto mining. Haven't lately. I'll show you what I did, and just so you can make similar changes, maybe and provide a little bit of background. Okay, so right here is your event viewer, Microsoft Management Console snap-in. You can find it. Oh, find that bad boy. Typing in search and event should pop up, or you could be fancy and put that in your command prompt. May want to run it elevated if you're gonna make some changes. Um, I guess technically the target is Microsoft Common Console document, but yeah, you can add this. I'm pretty sure you can add this through an MMC console, MMC exe. There's a variety of things, tools and utilities you can add. It's for view monitoring, troubleshooting messages, blah blah blah. So yeah, event Victor Whiskey Romeo. Okay. So by default, these sources are set to overwrite events as needed. Um, in your application, set 20,000 kilobytes. That's 2,000 megabytes. That's 2 gigabytes. Um, so once you exceed that size which I had, it's just overriding. So the oldest will get voted off the island. But we don't want that. So most of these guys are set to go. It's like, why aren't you using gender neutral language when you're speaking about your event log sources? Hey, just my vernacular. Way I talk. Way I talk. System root, that's your environmental variable, should point to C Windows. Now, I thought this was rather unintuitive, the way things are set up, where you can't specify an archive directory. At least it didn't seem that way. Maybe there's some sort of policy nested in there you can modify. It doesn't appear to be evidently available via this console. Um, so I just pointed it to my external hard drive where I have plenty of space and it's not solid state. Um, so I think it's good in the fact that I'm minimizing input output on my solid state drive, um, and also I'm saving space on my C drive, my operating system drive. So yeah, that's a win. And now, so what will happen is when it exceeds that file size, it's going to create an archive file. It's going to be basically a log prefaced by archive, and some date stamp formula plugged in there, I think. Um, Actually, I can show you this. Test, test. Test. Okay. That's it. Do we have any archive? Oh, I don't think I had any set to archive, so perhaps not. I'm gonna get rid of these actually. I don't need them anymore. Is it open? I guess there's still a file lock on it. Oh, well, I guess when I restart my computer, I'll probably get rid of these. Some are hefty. So maybe you want to set some of these sort of take a look at your log directory. Be like, all right, yeah, you're getting voted off the island, or um, or your entries are getting voted off the island, or you're gonna archive it. Pick your poison. But I chose the latter. Um, So, anyways, yeah, that's my little spill about the event log. It would be nice again if they had um, an alternative location for the archives, but you could theoretically create a PowerShell script that, based on the file name, and it run set it in a task scheduler job, have it run daily, and it puts them on your archive location. But if anybody knows, if anybody's aware of a policy that you can do that, by all means share. Knowledge is power, and try to help each other out. So that's all I got for now. It's early, and I'm gonna try to jump into some code before my workday commences. And yeah, my hobby code versus my bread and butter Windows system administration coding. Uh, but yeah, so let's start our days right, people. Or if your day's already started, keep on keep on trucking. All right, talk to y'all later.